Hi everyone, myself Swati. Hi from Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering, first year BE, from the Department of CSE AI. Now I am here to explain about a hydroelectric power plant and its advantages, disadvantages, applications, and its key components. Firstly, how does an hydroelectric power plant works? The hydroelectric power plant converts the potential energy of flowing or falling water into mechanical energy, which is then transformed into electrical energy. The working principle of a hydro power plant involves several key components and processes. The main key components of hydroelectric power plant are dam. A larger dam is constructed across a river or a reservoir is created to store water. The dam creates a significant height difference known as the head between the water level upstream and downstream. Next component, control gates. Water from the reservoir or river is directed through an intake structure into the penstock, which is a large pipe of tunnel. Next component is penstock. The penstock transports the water from the intake to the turbine. The pressure of the water increases as it descends through the penstock due to the height difference created by the dam. Next component is turbine. The high pressure water from the penstock is directed onto the blades of a turbine. The force of the water causes the turbine to rotate. Turbines used in hydroelectric power plants can be of various types, such as Francis, Plecton, or Kaplan turbines, depending on the characteristics of the water flow. Next component is generator. The rotating turbine shaft is connected to a generator which consists of a rotor and storer. As the turbine rotates, the rotor spins within the storer, generating an electromagnetic field that induces an electric current in the storer windings. Next component is electrical transmission. The generated electricity is stepped up to a high voltage using transformers to minimize the electrical transmission losses. It is then transmitted through power lines to homes, business, and industrials for consumptions. Next component is spillways. A spillway is a structure designed to provide a controlled release of water from a dam or reservoir. It is an essential component of dam engineering and helps prevent the reservoir from overtopping or causing damage to downstream during periods of high water inflow. Spillways are typically used during flood events or when the water level in the reservoir exceeds a certain capacity. Next component is catchment area. The term catchment area in the context of a dam refers to the geographical area from which a dam collects water runoff and precipitation. It is also known as the watershed or drainage basin of the dam. These are the key components of the hydroelectric power plants. Now, let us list out the advantages, disadvantages, and applications of hydroelectric plants. Advantages of hydroelectric power plants are it is a clean energy, it causes no pollution to environment, it is eco-friendly, it is a sustainable energy, it is a renewable energy which we can use for many times, it is a best water management. It creates a job for local people and also develop a local economy. The life law life is long lifespan. It is cost effective. It is base load power. It is flexibility. It is energy storage. Energy can be storage for many years. It does not consumption of any carbon based gases. Next, the disadvantages of hydroelectric power plants are: capital investment of hydroelectric plant is high. The gestation period is very high, that is 10 to 15 years. The cost of transmission is very high depending on the quality of water available, which is seasonal. It causes deforestation. Next, the applications of hydroelectric power plants are: the water from which are used in a power generation can be used for irrigation purpose, agriculture purpose. It is used to generate electricity as it is a traditional method used to grind grains also. It is used for public recreation like swimming, running, fishing, etc. Thank you for watching.